Can't get those long ones on that motor there together. We can take it apart and get them.
Which ones?
That motor has long ones in it.
Head bolts?
Yep, but not they're long enough.
I thought you said you only need 4.
Got 2 heads I'm doing.
I know, but you said 1 at a time.
I'm going to do 2 at a time. See if the length's the same. Okay, where's my number at?
They are almost the same.
What was the TD on that cam? 280 and 250?
286? No. 282. Let me double check. These are like 20 thou off, but it's shorter, not longer.
Doesn't matter to work. Okay, so we have 50. So we'll make this one 250. No, you said it was 280, right? We'll make this side 300. Well, that's the exhaust. Exhaust is 250, right? Intake will make 300 at least. That'd be 740, 750. And we spin it around and we look at our clearance. Look at that, you got clearance. Clearance.
Clearance.
Yeah, nobody's feeling it. Nobody's videotaping the right thing though.
Hold on, what was it?
We have clearance in here. How much clearance do you want?
Mid-U monster cam.
Got at least 100 in there.
100.
What we don't have is our clearance here.
Oh!
Filming for me?
Yeah, it broke you.
That's about 950. This one's 1040. Exhaust is way deeper than the intake.
285 and 251 TDC lift.
What was it?
285 and 251 exhaust.
250. The intake.
Intake's 285.
Exhaust has a little more clearance than the intake.
That's bad. That's
Big,
backwards.
There's a nice big booger right here I'm trying to measure. See that booger right there? That's where it sits at.
Ah, looks like a welding splatter.
It's got something going on there. It's not wiping off.
It's embedded.
Appears to be pretty good.
Yeah.
That's all I want to measure though. So it's halfway through the booger is the intake with the exhaust. And the intake, it's below the booger. So it's less by about 20 thousandths at least. So the exhaust has a little more clearance. Perfect. Lock up. My heavy duty valve spring compressor.
Yeah.
These look like aluminum, but they're steel. I got that much clearance here.
That looks like enough. Probably not with the piston though.
Not with a seal.
Oh, you're right.
Seal takes up 125 to 150, pretty much minimum. Some seals take up 200. The seals you're going to use those ones in the bag over there.
Can we cut the seals down? Not the rubber ones, but the metal ones.
Put K-line ones in there. They're a lot thinner.
Yeah.
Most seals hang out.
They're obsolete now, but I still have a good selection of them. Okay, there's that. So this has a gasket plus 58 thou washers under it.
Is that that's for the shim plus the gasket?
Yeah, this one has no gasket. It's got 34, 35 thou washers under it.
Why would you do that?
This has 44 thou pop up. This is -7 down. We have extra room. So we'll turn over this way, but not the other way. Okay, this is what? This is perfect one?
Yeah.
Good. Except
Yeah, it's bigger. OD.
those don't fit. S&S is thinner. I don't like that because I broke this.
Yeah, it's a bigger stud. Yeah.
What are you filming over here? You kicked it way on down on me. This is an M8. This is Evo and twin cam. M8 don't fit. Remember that.
No M8 bolts on a twin cam.
M8 does not fit. This motor takes long studs on both instead of short and long like every motor I've ever worked on does. So that was me being a dumbass on that one. Alright, so I'm going to take the one out over here. Put it over here. It just says Indian on it.
That's right. Oh, this is going in a Harley. We can't do that. It won't fit. It's an Indian motor.
I can throw it in my Indian out front there.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Send it down the track a couple times.
Yep, test it out.
Yeah. Break it in real nice.
So you break them in. Man, it almost looks like a motor.
Almost.
You figure if your intake mat full length, except each one's different. Alright. Here's our valve train. Did you bring gaskets? Because I don't have any.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, the gaskets I left here, so
Everything's laying out here.
right there.
Good. You got used gaskets that aren't already crushed.
They're O-rings, so I mean, what are you expecting?
O-rings?
O-ring.
We're using these taper lights that come loose. Everything you got is full of dirt.
I know, I haven't watched that yet.
Yeah, I know. I made a comment about that already.
I'm sure you did.
We're
Big comment guy.
We're mocking up a nice clean motor with dirty parts.
Well, the bottom end's clean, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if we got all these dirty parts on the motor.
Yeah, wipe them down.
So these are taper lights. These are guaranteed to come loose on a race bike in about 3 minutes of runtime on neutral. And when they come loose, they screw up your rock arms. Not that I would ever do that, of course. But that's only on a Buell at 9,000 RPM.
So just keep it under 9 and under 3 minutes.
Yeah, I'd keep it under about 6 because these stupid things have no holding power. Because this push rod's so thin right here, there's nothing hitting that nut, it will come loose. Guaranteed.
So what, that should run...
Loctite?
First of all, you made fun of me for wanting to run solids, and now my adjustables aren't good enough. Nothing's good enough.
We have 3 different links here.
You like that?
You know why there's 3 links?
Because it's adjustable.
There's 3 different lengths of push rod length, not the adjustability dumbass.
Oh, that's not good.
So the 2 short ones go where?
Intake.
Ooh. Where's the next one go?
Exhaust.
Which one? No, these are the same.
Yeah. You're 0 for 2 right now, Tatro. First the head bolts, and now the push rods.
I've seen 3 different lengths.
Bush
Old
rod.
bikes have 3 different lengths.
I'll
Yeah.
give you a bush rod.
The stock ones have 4 different lengths. But they do come loose. That they do. And that's on straight valves, not these angled things.
Not these gig ones.
Yeah, these are even more prone to come loose. Okay, where's your rocker box?
Allegedly right here. I got 2 different styles.
You, have
Oh,
a
these
whole,
aren't billet.
you also have a whole box more you gave me for some reason.
I know, I got two different ones.
I need the ones that go in here.
I got solids and rollers.
Our rollers.
Rollers.
When we go 600 plus, I usually go to a roller.
Yeah.
If we're under 600, we go with a solid.
That's why I brought the what is on my bags?
Those are, what's all those numbers? S and S?
Junk.
S and S solid.
Junk.
They wrote their name on like a
Junkie monkey.
They put that under like they're proud of the fact that they're
No,
solid.
I brought these ones because I didn't have bolts for this one.
Okay, those are Allen's.
Look how dirty these are.
I know, it's because you didn't clean
I
them.
bought these at a swap meet. I can't believe they're not clean.
Yeah. Shocking.
Terrible service around here.
Yeah. Can I wash these real quick?
Nope.
What the freak?
Anything else in the motor's dirty?
No, that's not true.
Which one is this one? Front or rear?
I don't know. It says an F on it. Okay, just, yeah.
The valve arms are straight up in here.
Let's give that a little fix.
What's wrong with those?
Oh, look at that. You
they're
broke
damaged.
it. Damaged goods.
Here, where's those gaskets?
What
Any
gaskets?
we're using?
No.
We're not going to use gaskets?
No.
What is the rocket drum, which is a little different?
Maybe I open the gasket box.
I would say, who cares?
You get a knife?
No, we're just running without them.
Whoa, where's your knife?
We're running without
I've
them.
never seen you without your knife.
I always have a knife.
It's like you're naked.
Where's my other box? My other one over there?
What is it?
Rockin' box.
In box.
Rockin' Boxin'. This one has an R on it.
Where?
For reverse.
For rare.
For rare. I like that.
Why would it have an R on it? That's the same box. Front
That's
and rear.
right.
There's no difference.
Well, somebody marked it. Doesn't look factory.
Where's the
marked.
mark? Where?
Thanks,
Well, you mean
swap meet
that
guy.
dull scribble you can barely see
Yeah.
without cleaning them? Yeah, as if it really mattered.
Yeah, exactly.
You notice how that valve just opened on its own?
Yeah. I like that.
Okay, what do you got to hold these down with?
Hardware.
Preferably Allens. At least 2 of them. These take Allens. These take solids.
It doesn't enter.
That's because you don't have the shaft lined up correctly.
I know.
I got a big hammer.
Do you?
Yeah.
Can we use it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Get your hands in my toolbox. Why? This has locking compound on it. Don't wipe your motor with that.
Don't touch it.
Let me get this locking compound out here. I don't like locking compound on my assembly area. I made a comment about that already.
Sure you did.
Locking tool.
A lot of time the night shift showed up. I was getting tired. Together yet?
No. Can't find the frickin' hole.
This might be the size of it. What are you doing?
There it is.
You just came out the outside. Just
It wouldn't go out that side.
Okay. The excuse is coming now.
Alright, give me the hammer.
Regular bolts, so I steal a couple.
Let's do a couple. Easy now. So aggressive.
We're using for regular bolts. You got regular bolts?
Yeah,
Same boxes?
probably.
Ooh, these are shouldered and everything. It's probably Harley bolts.
Ooh. Got to the bone.
What's your problem with mine went right in?
I'm not really a fan of these threads. Your threads are a lot nicer than my threads.
I mean, my head's not full of dirt like your set.
They're both washed.
If it falls on the floor, what happens?
Let's not do that.
This isn't my stand either. You said it was. It's
Yeah.
not.
No, I didn't. I said it's my. I said it's on a stand.
You still stole my stand. I got it
I
back.
stole it.
I need it back.
You can have it back. I want my stand back. You have my stand now. Tit for tat.
And this is your motor, though.
That is true.
Shove the box all the way that way when you put it on. Actually, that's wrong. I'm on the wrong side. Don't do that. Shove the box all the way to the left. And you wiggle it back and forth to find the center point.
Yeah, it doesn't really. Just very little movement.
Yeah, but center up your center point. Then you look over here in your valve clearance and you make sure it doesn't hit. If it hits, you got to move it or clearance it. I need to tighten these up. Did you get all the grit and the threads cleaned out?
Yeah, just sent her home.
Nice.
Doesn't seem to want to thread. Excellent.
Probably had the same grit the rest of it had. You can always take it off and blow the holes out.
You can just see that I'm not aligned. There's that Allen.
You mean the one you were done with?
I never said I was done with it.
Oh, I was. Mine was done. What are you filming anyway? If you're filming the top part you're working on. Oh, not hide your face. You move your elbow up a little bit higher. There you go. It's perfect. Can't see who it is.
Yeah.
You need to shave your armpits though.
Is that right? I'm not wind tunnel tested.
Nope. put my motor together here tomorrow.
We could borrow. We could trade.
I'll just put a bigger can on mine. That's 643.
It's all about the size, Tatro.
It's a nasty can.
Motion of the ocean. Doesn't look all the way down.
Tightened up. Was it tight?
Maybe.
Maybe. How's it looking?
Tight. I don't know if that's 200 at the seat.
You need to adjust the valve tension. Did you adjust the valve tension? You know what zero's at?
Mm-hmm.
That's 0. How about this one?
Oh, these are made in USA. Must be good.
Good clearance. What size is that flat spot?
Hmm?
What size is that flat spot?
5/16.
Sure.
Positive.
If it's bigger.
It might be 3/8. It's probably 3/8. It's 5/16.
The other one 7?
Yeah. Half inch.
I'll say that.
Do this one.
Now you gotta find a 0 point.
Where's this one tight?
Well, you didn't even turn the motor over yet to put the top dead center, did you?
I know, but why is this tight? Where's the tool?
You have to turn this thing over, get top dead center.
Seem to have clearance issues.
Where? You want to turn over?
No.
Oh, let's go the other way.
Can't go either way.
You go one way.
I go click and click.
Let's get the, instead of bending the valve, let's get these things
I ain't
together.
bending the valves. Barely rotating it. Oh, that one was tight. That's why I said I couldn't move it.
Set up.
Well, that's what I was trying to do, and then you yelled at me so rudely.
Weirdly. Oh, you gotta come back. I'm gonna yell on some more.